All right, breaking news coming in. Home Minister Amit Shah has tweeted on the decision of the Supreme Court to give a green signal to the Puri Rath Yatra. The Home Minister has said congratulations to the people of Orissa. Last evening, as per the instructions of Prime Minister, I spoke to Gajapati Maharaj ji and the respected Shankaracharya of Puri to sort their views on the Yatra. This morning, on Prime Minister's intervention, I also spoke to the Solicitor General. The BJP, in fact, and the central leadership trying to make this as a big victory of sorts, a gift of sorts to the people of Odisha. Remember, the BJP is the principal opposition party as far as Odisha is concerned. They performed exceedingly well in the Lok Sabha elections as well. Amit Shah also goes on to say today is a special day for all of us, particularly our Uriya sisters and brothers, as well as devotees of Mahaprabhu Shri Jagannath Ji. The entire nation is delighted by the decision of the Honorable Supreme Court to ensure the Yatra goes on. Now this, ladies and gentlemen, could also create a lot of controversy because largely, if you look at the government directions during the COVID-19 times, all such big congregations have not been allowed. The Supreme Court has made some very strict, in fact, conditions for this. Going across to Kamaljeet Sandhu, my colleague, joining us with more details on this. Kamal, Amit Shah using the opportunity to reach out to the people and voters of Odisha, in fact, expressing his delight on the decision being given by the Supreme Court, also showcasing how actively the Prime Minister has been involved in the entire process.
Well, one thing common between Naveen Patnaik and Home Minister Amit Shah's tweet was about Jai Jagannath, both of them mentioning that. But Amit Shah has also mentioned that considering the urgency and importance of the matter, it was placed before the vacation bench of Supreme Court, and the hearing took place, after which the Supreme Court has given a green signal. So talking about it, congratulating the people of Odisha, and this has been an area of concern because remember, congregation will take place. Supreme Court has also said that people will not be allowed, and centre as well as the state government are the ones who will take into consideration as to how Jagannath Yatra will take place. But yes, this seems to be one of those areas where there have been people who've been devotees of Mahaprabhu Shri Jagannath, and obviously this comes as a shot in the arm for all the devotees who wanted this Yatra to take place. And remember, this also comes in the midst of Corona spike. So both of these things have to be managed, but largely being left to the modality of the state government. Amit Shah obviously reacting to this entire development.
Right. And now this is also going to open up a lot of petitions, a flurry of petitions for other religious congregations and other religious festivities and functions which would want same sort of relief to be extended to them, because so far there has been very muted religious activity as far as the coronavirus is concerned. Strict guidelines from the government as well on this. Kamal, thank you for joining us with all those details.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.